Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Playa Enfuego, awesome sunsets over the Intracoastal, excellent fishing, deep water boat slips. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Playa Enfuego, awesome sunsets over the Intracoastal, excellent fishing, deep water boat slips. In Surfside Beach provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi, 29 miles from Galveston Country Club, 1.3 miles from Surfside Beach and 1.7 miles from Surfside. Located 1.1 miles from Surfside Beach, the property has a garden and free private parking. This air-conditioned vacation home is fitted with 2 bedrooms, a TV, and a kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave. Featuring a bath, the bathroom also includes a hairdryer, and towels and bed linen are provided. If you would like to discover the area, cycling is possible nearby. Hercules Offshore Heliport is 2.6 miles from the vacation home, while Buccaneer Shore Facility Heliport is 3.3 miles from the property. The nearest airport is William P. Hobby Airport, 62 miles from Playa Enfuego. Awesome sunsets over the Intracoastal, excellent fishing, deep water boat slips. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.